problem is, following are the results of a shrinkage limit test. The initial volume of soil in saturated state is equals to 24.6 cubic centimeter. The final volume of soil in a dry state is equals to 15.9 cubic centimeter. The initial mass in a saturated state is equals to 44 grams, and the final mass in a dry state is equals to 30.1 gram. Determine the dry density of the soil in grams per cubic centimeter. Determine the void ratio of the soil, the shrinkage limit of the soil, the shrinkage ratio, and the specific gravity of the solids. Ang una nating gagawin is to write down the givens first para hindi tayo malito sa pag-solve nitong problem. So, yung initial volume of saturated state ng soil natin na 24.6 cm equal lang siya sa moist volume, okay? Yung final volume naman natin is tinatawag din naman itong dry volume. While yung initial mass natin equal lang naman siya sa moist mass, and yung final mass natin is equal lang naman siya sa dry mass. So, yun na lahat yung given natin. Then, yung unang pinapahanap sa atin is yung dry density ng ating soil. So, di ba yung formula for density is mass over the total volume. Since dry yung hinahanap nating density, it will be dry mass over the total volume. So, yung total volume na sinasabi dito is equal lang naman siya sa moist volume. So, take note of this. So, substitute lang natin yung mga values and then we calculate it. Makakakuha tayo ng dry density na 1.224 gram per cubic centimeter. Next one naman is yung void ratio ng soil, yung hahanapin natin. So, since given sa atin dito is yung mga volumes ng ating soil, yung gagamitin nating formula for void ratio is volume of voids over volume of solids. So, di ba, yung total volume composition ng ating soil is equal lang naman siya sa volume of voids plus volume of solids. Therefore, yung volume of voids natin magiging volume total minus volume of solids over volume of solids. So, yung volume of solids na sinasabi natin dito, ito lang naman yung dry volume. So, substitute lang natin yung mga values natin. Diba? Yung total volume is moist volume, which is 24.6 cubic centimeter, and then yung dry is 15.9 cubic centimeter. Calculate this and we'll get a 0.547 void ratio. Sunod na pinapakuha sa atin is yung shrinkage limit ng ating soil. So, i-take down nyo tong formula na to. Yung shrinkage limit equal siya sa moist mass minus dry mass over dry mass minus moist volume minus dry volume over dry mass times the density of water. So, yung density of water in gram per cubic centimeter is 1 lang naman siya. So, substitute natin yung mga values since given naman siya lahat. Calculate natin ito, we'll get a value of 0.1728 or it is 17.28%. Then, next is the shrinkage ratio. So, i-take note din yung formula nito, which is dry mass over dry volume times density of water. So, ganun ulit. Since given na lahat, substitute lang natin. And then, makakakuha tayo na shrinkage ratio na 1.8913. And then, yung pinaka-last na pinapakuha natin is yung sa atin is yung specific gravity. So, di ba yung specific gravity, we can get it by density or by unit weight. Pero, since hindi naman yung mga given, and then yung given sa atin is yung shrinkage limit and shrinkage ratio, yung gagamitin nating formula is 1 over 1 over shrinkage ratio minus shrinkage limit over 100. So, we have 100 here sa shrinkage limit because yung gagamitin natin dito is yung naka-percentage na value niya, which is 17.28, and then yung SR natin, yung value na diba is 1.8931. So, substitute lang natin yung mga values, makakakuha tayo ng specific gravity na 2.813. So, that's all guys.